They know to bring it.
See, this is where we deal with accidents. Look, just right now. That bug is a total. All right, so yesterday I got a call from a guy that follows us on Instagram. His girlfriend got into an accident and they have COVID. So he's having trouble bringing the car. Most likely we're gonna go pick it up right now and have him throw us the key from the balcony.
Throw down the keys.
Jose,
Yeah.
how's it going? It's Greg from RR. I just got off the phone with him. He's basically saying he's been seeing the Starlight headliners we've been installing, so after the repair he might want to get that done too. It was kind of funny. He's like, I have to get the key from my girlfriend, and my girlfriend doesn't want to come near me because he has the COVID. So he's gonna give us a call back in like 2 minutes. We should most likely go pick up this car right now.
I'll give you some bites. I'll spray the car so you don't get sick.
We're social distancing right now. Are we? Is that 6 feet? Oh, by the way, we were supposed to switch desks.
No, because February 10th is when we're supposed to change desks.
February 10th will be 1 year.
Remember.
I will. I will remember.
You have to sit right there because when I come in, they always look that way.
Yeah, I want them to look at you. I want to sit there.
They don't need to look at me.
We're gonna switch. Change is a good thing, Shani.
Eyelashes all the way out like this.
Change is a good thing.
Alcohol.
This is probably Jose. Yeah, Jose. All right. So he's gonna pull up to the shop in about an hour, he told me. He's gonna toss me the key.
I'm gonna spray the lights off.
Cause he doesn't want me to get close to him.
Keys too, because it's contagious.
Yeah, I'm gonna wear gloves. I'm gonna catch the key. I'm gonna dip his key in bleach, some Clorox. Then we're gonna follow him and pick up the car.
You're not gonna get the car. Who are you gonna put the car?
Shiro. I'm gonna have Shiro wear a mask, gloves, everything. All right, guys, so we're done with the first stage of repairs on this red Lamborghini Huracan we got here. As you saw, the initial damage, so now I just want to show you an update as far as what we did. First thing I want to point out is this wheelhouse. So basically it was damaged here. As you can see, we didn't even put no body filler. Second, I want to go what you're seeing right now. This is basically called a seam sealer. We're just waiting for it to dry. It has cure time of about a couple of hours. So we're waiting for that. Then we're going to be painting. This part right here, as you saw, it was cracked around this area and then cracked in the inner portion. This is ultra high strength steel. For those of you that aren't familiar with repairing ultra high strength steel, you can't put too much heat to it. So you literally have to play with it. You have to put some heat, fix it, let it cool down. Because if you keep putting heat to it, you'll basically destroy the whole integrity of the metal. It becomes very weak, very fragile. We literally just got this 2020 Rolls-Royce CULLINAN in. We're gonna go ahead and put a Starlight headliner in this. As you can see, the top portion of the vehicle, the headliner is completely off. We wanna make sure the customer is happy with the finished product. So stay tuned. Next time you see this car, you will see it with the stars inside. We are back with a very familiar car. You guys saw this Bentley completed the last time on one of our episodes. Customer took it out the shop. Literally a week and a half later, it's back. Basically, he was driving on the freeway. Objects flew out from a car in front of him and hit the vehicle. We did let the insurance company know. We did file a claim. We're waiting for a response. So stay tuned. We're gonna give you updates once we start on this. I wanna walk you over to our giveaway winner. So for those of you who are just tuning in and aren't familiar, we recently did a giveaway for somebody to have a chance to win a free Starlight headliner installed by us. All right, what you're seeing here right now is a 2020 Honda Accord. Nelly is our giveaway winner. So it is daytime. We got sunlight outside, but I still wanted to show you guys. So I'm gonna turn it on for you guys right now. So basically what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna show Nelly this when she comes picks up her car. I ordered something online. It's basically a tube that illuminates stars. You plug it into a USB port. So basically I wanna play a prank on Nelly when she comes picks up her car. I'm gonna have it off like this and I'm gonna illuminate that, see her reaction. I hope she doesn't flip out. All right, we got the customer here in that red Cadillac. I got my gloves on, so he's gonna toss me the key. Give me a second, I gotta follow you. All right, we got the key. We gotta spray this with Lysol right now. Shawnee, I got the infected key. You got Lysol? I got the disinfect wipe. Don't be spraying that shit on me. All right, it's disinfected. All right, now we're gonna go get Shiro. We're gonna go pick up this car. We're gonna get some lunch and come back. Let's go. So we're in a company car right now. We're following the customer. I had him wear the gloves. Make sure he doesn't touch nothing. We'll disinfect the car when it comes to the shop.
Shiro's gonna bring the car back?
Huh?
He's gonna bring the car back?
Yeah, so right now we're gonna drop Shiro off by the car. He'll drive the car back. It's heavy damage. Quarter panel, bumper. Yeah. Okay, Shiro, good luck. May God be with you. Don't catch the coronavirus, Shiro.
Okay. They know where to bring it.
See, this is where we deal with accidents. Look, just right now. That bug is a total, I think it's probably worth about like, I don't know, 4,000. Okay, everybody. So we went ahead and we finished the giveaway Starlight headliner. I'm actually texting Nelly right now. We're trying to get her here in the next like 30 minutes. I still want the sun to go down a little. So as I told you guys, we're gonna be playing a little prank on her. So I went ahead and I bought this off of Amazon. And if you look at the Starlight headliner, so when she comes, we're gonna play a joke on her. Basically, we're gonna try to prank her. Say this is her new. She seems like a real sweetheart. So I don't know if she'll be acting like everything's okay. We gotta find out, I guess.
What are you doing?
I'm calling Nelly right now, see where she is.
Hello?
Hey, Nelly.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good?
Are you gonna be here soon?
Yeah, in about 5 minutes.
Okay, we're here ready, waiting for you. Everything's ready to go.
Okay.
Okay, see you soon.
Okay, see you soon. Bye.
Hey, Nelly. How's it going? You excited to get your car?
Yes.
How is everything? Good?
Good. Oh, fun.
Okay, you want to check out the damage first?
Yes, of course. Oh, that's great.
Looking brand new?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you the stars. You want to feel it real quick? So Shiro's gonna turn it on right now. Start the car, Shiro.
Oh my god, it looks really nice.
Really?
Yes.
You like it?
Yeah. I really like it a lot.
No, this is fake. Look, I bought that thing. Come on, Nelly. Okay. Okay, start the car, Shiro. Let's see what you really think. Turn off those lights.
Oh my god, see, this is way better.
You like it?
Wow, yes, I love it. It looks beautiful.
There you go. I hope you like it. You enjoy it.
Thank you so much.
And you're all set to go. The key's inside.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you.
Congratulations again. If you ever need anything, give us a call.
Yes, of course.
Okay?
Thank
Have a
you
good
so
night.
much.
Drive safe.
Thank you.
There we go. That's our giveaway winner.
That's the Rolls-Royce.
Yeah.
In the Honda body.
That's one nice Honda right there. Now we gotta sit and think for next month's giveaway.
Is this a monthly thing?
I usually do it every month, month and a half. Next, we gotta do some more brainstorming. So stay tuned, guys. There will be more videos dropping soon.